Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a super effective anti-aging cream using just onion and a few simple ingredients. This DIY cream helps tighten your skin and reduce signs of aging naturally, without spending a fortune. Let's jump right into the first recipe. Here's exactly how you can make it at home. Start by peeling one fresh onion. Onion is actually packed with antioxidants that are amazing for your skin. These antioxidants help fight free radicals, which cause fine lines and wrinkles. So yes, onion can be your skin's new best friend. Now grab a grater and grate the onion finely. This is what it should look like, soft and juicy. Use a clean cloth or strainer to squeeze out the juice. Try to get as much of the juice out as possible, it's full of the good stuff. Here we go, pure onion juice, ready to work its magic. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch to the juice. This helps create that creamy texture. Stir it well until there are no lumps. Pour it into a small saucepan. Place it on low heat and keep stirring. Soon, you'll see it turning into a smooth cream. And just like that, we have our onion-based anti-aging cream. Scoop out about a tablespoon into a bowl. Now add a teaspoon of honey, it's great for moisturizing. Next, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This adds a soothing effect. Aloe vera helps calm the skin and boosts hydration. Give it a good mix until it's all nicely blended. Transfer your cream to a clean glass jar for storage. Before using, always apply on clean, dry skin. Apply it gently to your face and neck. And yes, you can use it under your eyes too, just be careful. Massage your skin for about 2 minutes to help it absorb. Then leave it on for 30 minutes to let it really do its thing. After that, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Alright, let's move on to the second recipe. It's just as powerful. In a small saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Add 1 small cup of water and bring it to a boil. Let it cook for around 15 minutes, then strain using a cloth or gauze. What you'll get is a natural flaxseed gel. It's amazing for the skin. Add that gel to your onion cream for an even better result. Mix it all well. It should be thick and smooth. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It keeps the skin soft and smooth. Coconut oil is a great natural ingredient for delaying wrinkles. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil. It helps repair and nourish the skin. Blend everything until it's one smooth cream. Again, store it in a clean glass container. Here's how to apply it the right way. Start by washing your face with warm water to open your pores. Apply the cream all over your face and neck. You can also dab a little under your eyes if needed. Gently massage your skin for 2 minutes. Leave the cream on for 30 minutes so your skin can soak it all up. Then rinse with water and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use this cream every night before bed to see real results. You can store it in the fridge for up to a week. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this with someone who loves skincare as much as you do. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.